Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see the 5 ways to take screenshots on the Samsung Galaxy A36 or the A56. Now for the first method, just open settings, then go to advanced features. From here, tap on motion and gestures, then make sure you enable palm swipe to capture. Now once you enable this feature, you can take a screenshot by swiping the palm of your hand across the screen. Now for the second method, just swipe down from the top of the screen and open the control center. And from here, just tap on take a screenshot to take a screenshot. Now if you cannot find the screenshot icon in your control center, just tap on the edit icon, then tap on edit, and from here, just tap on take a screenshot. Now once you select take a screenshot, just tap on done. And from here, just tap on take a screenshot to take a screenshot. Now for the third method, just open any scrollable page on your smartphone. For an example, I will open the web browser app. Now from here, you can take a long screenshot. Now to do that, just take a screenshot. Now just tap on the scroll down arrow over here. Now just tap on this icon to take a long screenshot. Now once you're satisfied with your long screenshot, you can just go to your home screen and open the gallery app, and from here, you can view your long screenshot. Now for the fourth method, just open settings, then go to accessibility. Now from here, just tap on interaction and dexterity and make sure you enable assistant menu. Now once you enable this toggle, a small ball will appear on the screen. Now from here, to take a screenshot, just tap on the assistant menu and tap on take a screenshot. Now for the fifth method, just press the volume down button and the power button at the same time to take a screenshot. Just like that. Now you can view all your screenshots in the gallery app. And these were the 5 ways to take screenshots on the Samsung Galaxy A36 or the A56. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.